Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I hope you guys are all doing amazing. I am super excited about this video, because Jeulia Jewlery contacted me and asked me if I would like to review their product in exchange for, they would let me pick out anything in their, in their store for free, just to review it. And you guys know I love my jewelry. I love sparkly jewelry. I love blingy jewelry. I love everything jewelry. So I was super excited and honored that they contacted me and asked me if I would just review their product, like I said, and just in exchange for a free gift from them, like a free item. So I, of course, jumped on that chance because I love jewelry. So I thought I would unbox this with you guys and show you what I got, what I ordered. I have not unboxed it yet. I wanted to do this with you guys live, or not live, it's videotaped obviously, but live with you guys, and then I'll upload this and then I'll put it in YouTube so you guys can see it. But yeah, you guys, I'm so jazzed about this. So Jeulia Jewlery, thank you so much for thinking of me, and I'm super, super honored, and I can't wait to dive into this and see what it's like in real life, because you guys, let me tell you too, it was hard to make a decision on one item. They have really pretty jewelry online. They have necklaces, they have rings, they have pendants, they have like birth stones, like with your children's name on it that you have engraved. They have men's jewelry. They have there was this one, I was on the fence about which one to get. They had this gorgeous cat, because you guys know I love cats. They had this gorgeous cat pendant. Oh my gosh, it was beautiful. They have beautiful like wedding sets, and just like so many things to choose from, to look up, to see online. Oh my gosh, a lot. And they also have 2 million followers between, I think, Facebook and Instagram. So it's a well-known company. So I'm really excited to work with them and to show you what they sent me. Okay, guys? So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm so excited. So, all right. So it came just like this in this envelope. And let's go ahead and see the goodies that are inside. And, okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of this here. All right, so this is how it comes in this beautiful box, which is so pretty. So it says Jeulia Premium Artisan Jewelry. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in for you guys to see the box. And so that's a cute little box. And so I'm going to go ahead. I can't wait to see. I've been waiting patiently for this to come in the mail. I mean, it came quick, but I've just like, from seeing it and then wanting it, it's like, instant gratification. But I waited for it to come in the mail. All right, guys. So, okay, here we go. So, okay, it comes just like this. Okay, I'm going to just do it as I see it here. I'm going to show you as I'm opening this. So there is a thing that says stop, read before. It says stop, read before removing jewelry tag. Okay, so there's like a return exchange condition there that they have written there. Then they also, looks like, include like a catalog. It says Jeulia Premium Artisan Jewelry. So I'm going to show you that. And it has, let me show you a couple things. They have a moissanite collection. They have just a lot of pretty jewelry. I just want to show you this as well. Just kind of a sample of what else they have. And classic style moissanite rings right there. And let me see if I can find a necklace to show you. There we go. Here's some necklaces. They have earrings and ring sets, it looks like, and a whole set actually. They have a necklace, let's see, necklace, ring, earring, and a bracelet set that match all together too. So lots to choose from in here. So that's cool that they included that. All right, and then again, like I said, there are so many more options online. Oh my goodness. Okay, so they sent a little bag too, so that's cute too. So like if this was a gift, you could use that to, put your item inside there. So that's pretty fancy. I like that a lot. I mean, I don't know if a lot of other people do that, like when you order jewelry. So I think that's pretty special. So there you go. There's that. And I like the font on this bag too. It's a really pretty font. And it's got like silver. It's really cute. Then inside, I mean, there's just like goodies everywhere. They even give you a greeting card inside if you wanted to like send this to a friend or, gift it, I mean. And then they even have, what is this now? There's this in here. And it's a polishing cloth. Oh my goodness, they send you a polishing cloth too. Look at that, guys, and it has their name on it. So anyway, great job, Jeulia. It's looking good so far. Really, really good. And they're so really super nice. When I've been in contact with them, they are so nice and so quick to respond to me when I, contact them. They're so quick. Okay, what is this? Jeulia, there's a rewards program. Let's see. And so there's that. Okay, so there's just like a rewards program there. And all right, so let's see what the back of this says. Thank you for your purchase. And then they give you like coupon codes and that kind of thing. Again, this was sent to me for free, but that would be, I'm sure, in everybody's order. If they order one of these, that you do get like a coupon code for future purchases, it looks like. It says here we offer you an exclusive coupon for your next purchase. So that's really cool. So on mine, they sent me one $15 off an order over 100 or $50 off 200 or more. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Now, so this is how it looks. I'm so excited, guys. I know. You guys are probably like, Sarah, get into the box. I know, guys, but I wanted to show you everything before I got into the box. This is how it comes. And I'm so excited. So thank you guys for staying with me in this video. And I can't wait to show you. This is what I've been waiting for so patiently. So patiently. Okay. And I'll tell, there's a reason why I picked this one over the other things, because there's a lot of other things I wanted, like I said, but I picked this one and I'll explain why. So there's the box. I'll show you the box. Really cute little box. And it's kind of got like it's a smooth finish. It's not really, it's cardboard, but it's got like a finish on it, like a silky, almost not silky, but a smooth finish. There's a little box. Okay. So, okay, let's see what it looks like. All right. So here's the inside. So they have Jeulia written on the inside. So there's a lot. They really, which I like, they branded, or they put their name on everything, which I really like. So let's see. Okay. So here's the bracelet. Let's take a look. Okay, hold on one second, guys. It got a little, okay, here we go. It's got a little twist here. Okay, so I ordered the bracelet. I don't know if I mentioned that before. I decided to order the bracelet. And let me go ahead and, there's a clasp. Let me see here. There we go. Okay, I've never used a clasp like this before. Okay, so this is so pretty. Okay, you guys. So I chose the star. Let me put it back in the box so it's against the black so you can see it better. I chose the star bracelet. So there's the star. I don't know if it's going to fall out of there. Let me see if I can hold it against something easier for you to see. There we go. So there it is against the black, okay? So I chose the star one because you guys know that's my middle name. And I love anything with stars. So that's why I made the decision on the star. Now it's really, really pretty. It has like a gold. Let me see. It's silver and gold. It looks like silver and gold with my lighting. And I'm going to try to zoom in as best as I can right here for you guys. So you can see, again, I'll hold it with this in the background. I'll hold it like this for you guys to see better. So you can see it closer up. Okay, so there it is. And I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you guys. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. And I love bracelets. I do. I love bracelets. I love everything. It was so hard to make a decision, like I said, because everything is so pretty. Let me go ahead and try this on. Okay, so, and we'll see how it looks on. Okay, if I can get it over my hand. All right. It's kind of hard to, I have a hard time like putting bracelets on myself. But let's see, I can do this. Because it has like a little, I'm sorry, I didn't show you. It has a little, what do I want to call it? Like a little, not a ball, but it's like some type of like contraption right there. I don't know what you want to call that. And you pull it to tighten it to fit to adjust to your wrist size. So I think that's fabulous. I love that. I've never had a piece of jewelry like that before. So that's pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like on. So, and I like gold jewelry. I like silver jewelry. I love both. So, okay, let me go ahead and tighten it now. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty, you guys. Okay, let me tighten it a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I think it needs a little more. Oh, that's gorgeous. I wanted something like delicate, because see, this is a Tiffany bracelet. I wear this all the time. I never ever take this off. I've had this for, this one has a meaning to me as well, this bracelet right here. And I've had it for, I think, 10 years or something. I've never ever taken it off. So I wanted a piece of jewelry that's like delicate for me that I could wear, and you know, not, like if I don't want to take it off, I don't have to. You know what I mean? Like it's easy to wear, lightweight is what I mean to say. So you guys, it is really nice. Let me show you, and it feels like I'm almost wearing nothing on my wrist, which that's what I feel about my other bracelet that I'm wearing. It feels like I don't feel anything on my wrist. Like that's what I like about it. And it fits my wrist. Like it looks like it's meant for my wrist. Like I'm so excited I chose this. Okay, so let me show you guys how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, right? Look at how pretty. And I love the star. It's so special to me. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm trying to get in closer for you guys to see. I hope it's showing and picking up for you guys. And see the cute little chain that's like, I love that effect too. I think that's so cute and like feminine, the little chain that's like hanging down. I love that. It's like little details like that I really appreciate. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit more. I'm going to bring it in closer for you. So try to get as close as I can without jumping over this desk. So let me go ahead and bring it in closer. You can see the star, making sure that the camera's picking it up for you guys. But it really is so pretty, right guys? I love it. I am so impressed with this. I really, really love this. Cost, this one, let me double check the cost. I think it was around $150. Let me double check. I have my phone. Let me double check that for you guys so you know. But you guys, isn't it pretty? Okay, so I'm going to just like do different like hand angles so you can see it better over here too, because I want to make sure that I'm getting the right, you know, angles with the light on me. But it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, right? Isn't that pretty, guys? Yes, I am so excited. So thank you, Jeulia Jewlery. I love it, love it, love it, love it so much. And thank you for thinking of me. Oh my goodness. So let me double check the price for you guys, just so you know how much this particular one cost, because I would love to tell you that. I think, like I said, it was $150, but I want to be certain, you know, what exactly it cost. So let me just find it for you really quick. And $140. So it is $140. And this, I want to go ahead and show you. I actually have it right here for you. It's called the Two-Tone Star Sterling Silver Bracelet. And it is, let me show you again, $140. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like on their website, how they have it. I'll go ahead and show you so you can see it. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? So it really does. The picture, like this is exactly what I got. Like this, you know what I mean? It's like, this is exactly what I was expecting. I mean, I got. So I'm really excited. I mean, you know, sometimes you see pictures and then they look different in real life. Like this is just beautiful. It's I'm trying to think of the word. It looks just like the picture, and it's like, I thought it would be heavier, but it's light. It's really, really light. And it's just so pretty. So I am so excited, you guys. I could talk about this for a long time. I'm sorry. I really could. This is just so gorgeous. And like I said, I'm going to wear this a lot. You'll see this in a lot more hauls coming up, because it's an easy piece. It's just like you throw it on, you know, you just like, I can do errands in town with this. I can, you know, go to lunch with this on, go to dinner with this on, you know, this is so nice. And that's what I love about it. And it's subtle, right? It's like beautiful and subtle. It's like, it's not like, what's the word? What I'm trying to say? I want to put this correctly. It is like, it's a statement piece, right? but it's classy. It's like beautiful. It's classy. And I love that about it. It's so classy. And like I said, I've never had a chain like this. And I appreciate that because, you know, sometimes I'll get a bracelet that's too big or too small, right? Because it just all depends. And so this is adjustable, which I love. And again, I can't get over that star. I love, love, love the star so much. So yeah, I love that star so much. So anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this Jeulia Jewelry haul. Again, I want to say thank you, Jeulia, very, very, very much for thinking of me and asking me to review your product. And you get 2 thumbs up from me. I really, really enjoy this bracelet. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to show, you know, wear this around and show people. And yeah, so anyway, you guys, with that being said, thank you so, so much for being here. And I do hope you enjoyed this haul. And I will put the information in my description box, the link to their website and their the link to this particular bracelet and a couple other information about the about Jeulia Jewelry in my description box, so you guys can see there's like a discount. I think there's a discount right now, and a couple other little things that I'll put in the description box below me. So if you want to check out Jeulia Jewelry, it's there for you. So, all right, guys. So thank you so, so much for being here. I really hope you enjoyed this haul. I had a lot of fun unboxing this and reviewing it. And thank you again for all the love and support. And I'll see you all really soon with my next haul. All right, guys. Till next time, take care, be blessed, and I'll see you all soon. Bye now.